Good evening, welcome back to another vlog. I'll get where you can see me in the light. So it is now Sunday. So Sunday at the Barras here where we're staying in Corfu is a big Greek night. However, we're not going to this one because we only want to do one out of the two. So we're going to go to next Sunday, so that'll be a separate vlog. So I just thought I'd start some filming. This might end up being a 2-day vlog. We've not done much at all today. We've all been very tired. It has caught up with us the last few late nights. As you saw in the previous vlog, we had a great night in Little Prince, and I say Little Prince, Yianni used to be at Little Prince, at Silver Moon Cocktail Bar, and it was great, superb cocktails. Then we went back to Aquarius and then came to bed. So we've had a lazy day around the pool as always, and we're going up to Yiannis, not the Yiannis we went to last night for the gyros. We're going to Yiannis Family Restaurant, which is a superb place here, one of our favourites. So come along with us. We need some toilet rolls. That's the first job. Make sure we've got enough money. And then we're going to go for a quick drink and we're going to head up to Yiannis. So let's get out there. And here's my beautiful wife just leading the way outside on this absolutely gorgeous night again. The weather we're having, folks, has been cannot knock this at all. Good weather, isn't it, Pam? Beautiful, been the best. So the stage is set in there for the Greek night. All the tables are set out. It's a full house, folks. So glad for that, which gives them some good business. And there's a lovely pool that we've been round today. There's our favourite sunbeds. And let's go get the loo roll. So here we are in the supermarket. I'll keep talking because there's music playing, but everything you need this. Look at this great shop. And it's right opposite the Barras Hotel, so if you're worried about things to get, then please don't be. Yeah, really good shop. So mission toilet roll is done. I'll go put them in the room and we'll get over the road there to the Silver Star for a beer. Or a wine. So over we go into Silver Star Bar, which is quite a few in already. And here we are in Silver Moon. Kenzie's on the Koppenberg. If you're watching the Incredible Wilsons, which they're probably not, are they? But Gaz on there likes a Koppenberg, doesn't he? So you're looking very radiant tonight, Pamela.
Looking a bit red on your video.
I'll ignore the colouring. It's just how it looks. It will change when I do the edit. So yeah, you're looking forward to it tonight.
Yeah.
And you're going to see tonight Billy Moussakitis, an old flame of Pam's.
I wish.
So yeah, we've not seen him for a few years, have we?
No.
So we're looking forward to seeing Billy and seeing how he's doing. So yeah, we'll finish these drinks and then we'll head over. So we are mobile on the street on our way to Yiannis. So it's very busy here. The music has started in the Barras. And we're heading up now, though we are literally walking to there. So, sweet spot here on the left. This has been a recent addition to the village, which has been well received. And it's always popular. Look at that place. So, if you go out for a meal and you don't want a dessert where you're staying, but you might fancy a dessert, you can go to Sweet Spot. So, really modern, really good. There's the specials here at Yiannis Family Restaurant. Look how good this is. So we're in Yiannis, it's looking good as usual, isn't it? The sun's going down in the distance. We've just seen Lynn and Jeremy, some of our friends. Pam's decided what she's having. I think Ken's knows, and I definitely know what I'm having. So the food's arrived, or the starters. I've gone for the feta cheese in the oven. Ken's has got the garlic mushrooms, and Pam's got some tzatziki. How were the starters, Pam? Amazing. Ken's, you happy with your garlic mushrooms?
Amazing.
My feta in the oven was outstanding. Look at that. So the main course has arrived. I've got the barbecue lamb on the spit. Look at that chicken that these two have got. That's chicken breast then, yeah? Wow, look at that with some roasties. How good's the food in here, Pam? Immense. Look at how tender that is. So this is the famous addition, isn't it, Pam, to the or an exclusive here almost, orange cakey pie, famous for it. What's it like? And I've got the most amazing cheesecake you'll ever see. I am no way am I eating all this. Pam's having to finish the
I'm not finishing it, I want the cherries.
she's having the cherries off the top. Pam, we're not doing it again, do we? Do we need to bring out the sexy jazz music again? Durant?
No.
What was the verdict, Pam?
It was lovely.
Enjoyed that, didn't we? You are stuffed. We can hear the bouzouki coming out of Barras. Kenzie's already dancing down the road, look. Sweet Spot, like I say, is still busy tonight. Pam, do you fancy a cake in Sweet Spot?
No.
So, Pam, how much was that?
€81.
Wow. Polycolour. They're playing play bouzouki, na. And here we go, they're coming round, let's get this. Right, good morning. Welcome back to another day. So when we left you last night, we'd been to Yiannis for some lovely food, lovely meal, and now we're back down, going through the village for a little bit of a walk. Ken's got a dance at the Barras Greek night, caught the back end of it last night, which was good. And yeah, it was busy in there and good to see. So we're just on a wander. We're going to walk along here, down to the beach, then back along. Kenzie's going to get in the sea, and we'll take it from there. So welcome back to another day. So it's all go at Spiros Bikes, people getting their quads out for the day. So there's some of the things that he's got there. If you like a look at that, pause the video. But yeah, Spiros and Aris, really good guys down there. So this is used to be Athens Bar, but it's slightly pivoted this last couple of years. It's now a restaurant called Athena, and people say it's very, very good, the food. So if you fancy something a little bit different, give them guys a go. Near where we were the other night, you've got your Silver Moon, and then you've got Yiannis grill for all your gyros, lamb on the spit, things like that. And then just that building there is where we stayed twice, in those rooms above the bar. We stayed in there a couple of times, Spiros and Maria, and that's available again, folks. So that's direct booking. So if you just want the flight only, apparently there's other rooms as well, Pam says, but they were cracking those up there. So this is a place where it used to be called Sunset, and now it's reopened apparently as like a bit of a coffee bar, snack place, and it's got some games for the kids in there. So that's a fairly new addition in the last couple of years. These here are all available to rent, these flats on the right. And then you get to this little lane here and you turn left. Yeah, when Ken's was really young, he used to collect old pine cones down this leaves that used to come out of this, down this lane that used to fall off this tree that they've chopped down. Beautiful little lane. This is proper Greece. Those little dusty tracks that come off the main roads, these are the ones that you've got to find and explore and wander. So you can go down there. That's 180, which is a cracking bar. We will go there one night for a cocktail, and that's where we stayed once, like we say, Spiros and Maria. So there's a few people milling around. We're going to go up this hill here. There's Delfino Blue. Very, very upmarket place to stay. They have got Mango Beach Bar, which is open to the public, is it, Pam? Yeah. Mango, you can go use their sunbeds?
Yeah.
Yeah, thought so. So we're just going up here. Just on the left up that way, there's a little cut through into a car park, which then drops down onto the beach. Lovely walk. And here again you've got pictures. Very upmarket suites. Just in there. Meant to be a good place to stay if you've got the money. And then this way to the beach and Havana Beach Bar. And there you go, that's pictures pool there. So look at that, guys, hardly any sunbeds if you want more or less total privacy. Very quiet. That's the place to stay, but look at this view. Down here to the beach. And there's some work going on here, so I wonder what they're building there. That's all new. They look like they're putting concrete in and some foundations. So yeah, there's a big crane up there, so something is going there. So if you know, put it in the comments down below. And here we have it, guys. We're down at the front on the sea. Welcome to San Stefanos Beach. Amazing. These two are going for a dip. And here's one of your many boat hire, parasailing kind of places. Jet skis, we did a jet ski here a couple of years ago, really good fun. So this is Thomas Boats. There's also Leo's Boats further back down the beach. So get up here, guys, and give them a check out for all your boat hire needs. So there we are. Nice look at the beach. Sun's starting to blaze down now. It's getting very hot here in San Stefanos in Corfu. Just a word of warning, guys, this is the nudie end up here. So if you do come up here, be expecting to see some naked people. Although there doesn't seem to be as many this year as there was in previous years. So maybe they've been told they're not allowed to do it. I don't know. So that's 180 Beach Bar, guys. That has amazing sunsets from that. We will take you there at some point on this holiday. So if you're one of my Zante watchers, you'll know there from Dan's World, other people have mentioned the price of some of the sunbeds. So bear in mind this lovely beach that we're on here. You can get 2 sunbeds, a parasol and a bottle of water for as cheap as €7 for the set. Amazing. And most tend to be around 10, 12. No more than 15. And they're all padded, they're all comfy, so fill your boots. So we're just going up through Athena just to get back now to the Barras. I'll show you the Athena pool when I get up here. There's the Athena swimming pool, guys, look at that. Very nice. And there's Aquarius Bar. Back up here to this, so this is where we walked past earlier, Speros Bikes at the end. So I hope that gives you a good view of a little walk round to the beach and a way that you can go. So what I'm going to do is, I'm really warm, I'm really sweaty, so I'm going to wrap this vlog up right now. So thank you for watching. Most important thing you need to do when you're watching these videos is click that thumbs up, because that really helps. It tells YouTube that we think you like them. And also, if you can, subscribe if you're not already. It's totally free, doesn't cost a penny. You just click subscribe, you can click the little bell and click all, and it'll tell you when you'll get like a little push notification on your phone that tells you when I've got a new vlog out. And a hype, yeah, if you're watching this in the first 7 days of release, please hype it, because that again pushes it out to more people. So thanks for watching, we'll catch you on the next one.